Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I think as of this moment, I might have posted the Cyberpunk Porsche somewhere, either yesterday or day before yesterday. So I told you guys, I am really excited about three castings. I showed this during the prelude video as well. So this is excluding the Cyberpunk Porsche. I was talking about the Ford, the Huracan. The Huracan really disappointed me, and last but not least, which is this one. So I really wanted to post this on Saturday because this is something new, at least for me, and at least for a lot of people in India. This is kind of new. So if you guys are importing stuff and all, then this is not going to be a new thing for you guys. But for people like me, this is an entirely new brand. I know about this brand for long time now, but this is the first time I'm having it in my hand, at least one piece of it. So let's unbox this casting. So I bought it somewhere around 850 rupees or so, and so this is by a brand called Car Tuned, as you can see. So it is kind of a tuned version of the cars. So honestly, I personally love this and Maestro versions compared to Mini GT versions. I do love Maestro version a lot because they're doing that for so many years at this point, and they do it really well. So I do have some muscle machines. It comes under the muscle machine series. I do have some, which I didn't even unbox it. I think somewhere around 5 or 6, I guess. I might need, I might do that for a whole week at some point, because I want to get a specific box kind of thing to keep that safe. I don't have anything now. That's the reason I'm not unboxing that yet. So even this one, I don't know where I'm going to keep it. So this is the entire set here. So we have this one now. So I am really hoping that I would get all this, at least, even if not everything. My personal pick would be, I always loved Bel Air, so I wanted that one. So more, if I'm able to get the green one, that would be really awesome. And I always loved Corvette and Camaro. So these three would be my next pick if I'm able to get any of this. So first pick would be any one of these two. If Bel Air means, that would be this particular color. So if this is not there, then these two. So let's see. Let's fingers crossed, and maybe someday we will get it. Okay. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. I really don't want to damage this particular card because that looks really nice. Try cutting this way because it has small gap there. You guys can see it, right? It actually has some kind of gap. Yeah, it just opened right away like that. Okay, I think I can put it back once I'm done with the video. Okay, it is a sticker actually here. They sticked it, which is really nice because it won't fall down. Okay, let me take, that is pretty easy to get it out. Let me just put this back for a minute because I want to show you guys the card art once. The card art looks really nice, and I personally love this particular direction over, from left to right, like Hot Wheels does. Because this one, because I personally take photos in this way. If you guys seen my thumbnails, I always take photos in this particular direction. So this one looks really cool in that way. Okay, let me just put this aside, and we will go to the casting. Okay. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, this looks really cute and gorgeous. So it says cartoon here. I don't see any paint issues, to be honest. So you can see the headlight detailing here. It is fully embossed and the grill details are there, but it is not painted on. And so the tail light details are there. It is painted. And this is metal body, and the windows are fully tinted. I don't know. I can't able to see anything on the inside. Let's go to the chassis. Okay. So nothing is inside actually. You can see here. You can literally see the top side of it. There is nothing inside. Okay. So the tires are actually rubber, and I do love this. Purple or violet if you prefer. The trim here for the rims. because this matches with this particular part of the livery. That looks really nice. I don't see any issue with the paint job here. Let's see if this is metal. I don't think so. It is metal. Yeah, that is plastic. Okay, the chassis part is plastic and it is very narrow if you ask me. Even compared to Maestro muscle machines, this looks very narrow. And you can see it is saying CT here and okay. Honestly, there is nothing much to talk about this casting apart from the way it looks. It looks fat, it looks short, like short and fat, but it looks really cool. I mean, I personally love this one. I'm not sure how we are going to do rating for this one, but let me just let's first weigh this casting and see how much this weighs. 47 grams. That is really nice because it doesn't even have a metal chassis. It came close to Hot Wheels Premium because the Hot Wheels Premium which we unboxed so far, they ranged somewhere between 51 to 50, sorry, yeah, 51 to 59 or something. So this is really nice. It doesn't feel that heavy, but it is heavy. The rims are really nice. Okay, let's see if it rolls. The wheels wobble a lot actually, but it does roll. Both wheel wobbles a lot. Okay, I don't want this to collect any dust. Okay, so see, so far whenever we are doing any rating part, we always had some kind of reference point. When it comes to majorites, we have different iterations, right? Like we have mainline premium, semi premium. Even in both majority and hot wheels, we always had that kind of segments, and we put it in that way. So to be honest, in this particular brand, this is my very first casting, and I'm not sure how to keep a reference for this one. So but one thing I know for certain is this is how every cartoon car is going to look based on the backside of the pack which I showed you guys. So let me just see one more time. Okay, so you can see the headlight details and all they always went with chrome in all these cars. So judging by that, that is how all these cars are going to look. So, and these are supposed to be kept as showpieces if I'm not wrong, because this has rubber wheels. So this is not going to be track specific. So yeah, let's keep it in that way. Okay, honestly I'm not seeing any issue with the paint job. I'm just going to go with the common things. Again, this is a rubber wheels like we see in Hot Wheels Premium and all. So we are neglecting the roll test here. uh, so this one is really cute and looks really nice. So honestly I would give 9 out of 10. I'm just taking that one because it doesn't have any interior detailing to it at all. It is just a metal body and a plastic chassis with just wheels on it. So nothing else is in there. So but it looks really beautiful. For that reason, it looks really cute, and it is really nice to hold this in your hand. You can keep it as a pocket car, and it just fits inside your palm, right? So I'm just giving 9 out of 10. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you know me, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.